Hi friends, Ms. Dolphin here, coming on to teach you another math lesson. This week we're doing lesson 36, which is very similar to 35 that I taught you last week. Last week we were decomposing the number 9. This week we're decomposing the number 10. So let's read our objective. I can decompose the number 10 using 5 group drawings and record each decomposition with the subtraction equation. So all that means is we're going to be listening to stories about the number 10. We're going to draw a picture the 5 group way, and then we're going to write a number sentence that matches our subtraction story. So let's get our brains thinking about math and do a couple of fluency problems. So math caps on. Okay, we're not going to do all of these. We're just going to do some, and it's mixed up. There's some adding and some subtraction. 2 plus 1 equals. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And I'm using my fingers to help me. 2 minus 1 equals. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 plus 1 equals. 3 plus 1 put together equals 4. Good. Let's jump over here to the other side. 3 plus 2 equals. 3 plus 2 more. 1, 2, that's 5. 3 minus 2 equals. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Last one we're going to do together. 4 plus 0 equals. If I have 4 and I add 0 more, which is nothing, I still have 4. So 4 plus 0 equals 4. Excellent. Okay, let's get to the lesson. Here we go. Okay, so Miss Dolphin already drew the picture. I drew 10 blocks, so take a listen to my story. Martin had 10 blocks. He gave 4 blocks to his sister. How many blocks does he have left? So what I did was I drew 10 blocks, okay? So I drew it in the 5 group way. All that means is I drew 5 at the top, stopped at 5, and went under and drew 5 more. So 5 and 5 makes 10. He started with 10 blocks, so I'm going to put 10 in my hole of my number band. Now remember, the hole is the circle that's all by itself. So I'm going to put 10 because that's how many blocks he starts with. Okay, and I'm also going to write 10 in my number sentence because when we write subtraction number sentences, we always start with the whole or the biggest number. Now, it said that he gave 4 of his blocks to his little sister. So in my picture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross out 4 blocks. That's how I'm going to show that he gave 4 away. So help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay, so now I need to write the number 4 in one of my parts of my number band. And then 4 comes next in my number sentence because that's how many he gives away. He takes away 4. Now we want to know how many blocks does Martin have left. So he started with 10. He gives 4 to his sister. How many are left? Now I can use my picture to help me. The blocks that are not crossed off are the ones that he has left. So let's count those up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he has 6 blocks left. So I'm going to write the number 6 in my other part. And 6 comes after the equal sign because that's how many he has left. 6 and 4 makes 10. Let's read our number sentence. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Good job. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Good. Nice job, friends. Air 5. Okay. So we will do 2 practice problems together, and then I'm going to send one home with you to try on your own like I always do. So help Ms. Dolphin read our story problems. Let's read the directions first. Fill in the number band and number sentence. cross off the part that goes away. So we're using the cross off method today to show what goes away. Stan had 10 blueberries. He ate 5 berries. How many blueberries are left? Okay, so lucky for us, the picture is already done for us. They put 10 circles, that's just showing, that's representing the blueberries, okay? He started with 10, he eats 5. So we need to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so when we write our number sentence, I want you to think, what number comes first? Is it the part or the whole? The biggest number or a smaller number when we're doing subtraction? If you said biggest number or the whole, you are right. So he started with 10, so I'm going to write 10 first in my number sentence, and I'm also going to write the number 10 in my whole of my number band. Now, back in the story, it says that he eats 5 berries. So that would be my next number in my number sentence is how many we crossed off, which is 5. Here, and then we're going to put 5 in the part. So 10 minus 5 equals, now we have to count up how many he has left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 comes after the equal sign. We know 5 and 5 makes 10. You can also use your fingers to help you solve this problem. If I have 10 and I take 5 away, how many are left? 5. So he has 5 blueberries left. Good job. Okay, we're going to do one more together. Read with Miss Dolphin. Tracy had 10 heart stickers. She lost 1 sticker. How many stickers are left? So what did it say? How many did she start with? We're always starting. Our whole today is always what? Number 10. Good. So I'm going to write 10 in my whole of my number band. This is my whole because it's the circle all by itself. And I'm going to write 10 first in my number sentence. Okay, so she started with 10 stickers. These are my 10 stickers. Okay, and it said that she lost 1. So we need to cross out 1. 1. That's it. Okay, so she lost 1. How many do we have crossed off? Just 1. So number 1 is next. I'm going to write 1 in here too. Now the question is, how many stickers are left? So how do we figure that out? Could use your fingers. You could count how many do not have a X on it. So let's count how many don't have an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. So we're going to write a 9. Circle, straight tail. And I have to remember to put it in my part of my number band. Okay, let's read that number sentence together. 10 minus 1 equals 9. So she lost 1 and she has 9 left. Good job, air 5. Okay, so last thing I'm going to do is just show you what you're going to work on your own. Now, the question that I have the star next to is the one that you're going to be getting in your messages. So we can read it really quick. Nick had 10 party hats. 7 hats were thrown away. How many hats does Nick have now? Now, I'm challenging you because the last 2 questions, they did the picture for us. This time I want you to draw the picture. So you're going to draw 10 of his party hats, and then you're going to cross out 7. And that's the only hint I'm going to give you. Don't forget, you need to fill in your numbers for the number band and numbers for the number sentence. You do not need to do this one. That's why there's a big X on it. Okay? Keep up the great work. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay? Good job today, friends. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.